National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage of areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.